Hello, hello, it's QnDebraofMakeup.com. I'm here for you again today with a 15-minute tutorial on a new eye look. We're going to be using these beautiful colors right here. That would be Alive is the first one. Lively is the second. Fervent is that beautiful maroon color. And Optimistic is the bottom. 4 colors we're using today. I've already applied all my other makeup and I'm ready to do my eyes. Going to be using approximately 5 brushes, maybe one added one. I don't know what I did with it. The blending brush, the fluffy crease brush. I have 2 of the crease brushes, and this, of course, the blending brush. And this one is a Morphe brush that is also similar to these, but a smaller size brush. These are all unique brushes. I am a unique presenter, yellow status, and I am doing this video for you as a tutorial on a new eye look using these 4 colors. Okay, let's begin. We're going to start out with Alive, and we're going to apply that all over the top of the eye. It's almost like a gold color. So pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see what this is going to look like. I have already put primer on the eye so that these colors will be nice and vivid. And I kind of pat my colors on because I have crepey and older skin, and it does not bounce back like it did when it was tight and 20. Sorry to say. Hope you all are having a wonderful day today. I'm getting ready to go out with the hubby, and we are headed to a place called Tarpon Springs today. I live in Florida, and this is kind of a Greek area, and they have one product that I love. It is a soap that they infuse into the scrubbies, and they smell so good, and they are made out of goat's milk, I think. What it's made out of. Okay, just applying that color right in there. Next, I'm just going to bring that down here in the corners, just like that. The next color we're going to use is going to be the color Lively. I'm going to switch over to the smaller, denser brush, and that's that beautiful orangey color. Again, just tapping in is all we have to do with our products. Tap any excess off, and then go right up here, right on that optical bone is what I'm focusing on. And just kind of place it into position. And then we're going to be blending. Let me just put that in there a little bit farther. Okay, the other side. Just like that. It's a beautiful day in Florida today. I hope it's beautiful wherever you are. Okay, there we go. Now let's take our blending brush and let's blend and soften that. Soften, soften, soften. We do not want a harsh line to show. See how that softens? And always hold your brush closer to the end of your... I think it's going to go well with what I have on today. We're going to see. I like to kind of match my colors with what I'm wearing. Okay, the next color we're going to go in with is that beautiful maroon dark color. And again, we're going to use the other fluffy, it's the crease brush. The taller one is the fluffy crease. So into that Fervent. This is one of my favorite shades of color. See how I've doused that all on that brush? And we're going to go right below where we've done that lively and in the corner to pop that out. Look at that. I think you can certainly tell a difference between this eye and this eye. Let me come forward for you so you can maybe see it better. And as I come forward, I can see better and maybe hit that just a little more. Our products are all very buildable. You can always add more. I just want that to come kind of under that lively color. Do this side. This side I have a little bit more of the hooded eye, so you need to compensate for that. And I will show you here how we compensate in a minute. I have to kind of close my eye to see what that lid looks like, because it kind of gets lost. My poor eyes get lost in there now. Blend a little bit. Always blend up, because we want everything to go up. Gravity's pulling everything down. We want everything to try to go up with our camouflage of makeup. I want that to be soft right in there and right up in here. We go back in with my more dense brush. Oh, that's the wrong color. Excuse me. And just kind of blend it with that. Just like that. I am going to go back in with this brush and help compensate for that hooded eye and go right above where we did the lively and focus on that color a little more. Just like that. It's making me happy, ladies. Okay, and then our last color we're going to add, let me just look and see if I think I've got it up high enough. Over here. Just softly. I think I'm liking all of that. We're going to go in with the last color, Optimistic. And that we are going to use, I think I'll use, let me see if I can locate my other brush. Yes, here it is. This is our deluxe brush. All these brushes are unique brushes except the one that I showed you that was the Morphe brush. And I'm going to go in with this. This one I'm trying to really kind of load the brush up with the color. And we are going to go right and up underneath that brow. And that will pop that out. And do over here. Optimistic. What a beautiful shade. Shimmers and is so beautiful. Okay, I like that. Going to go in again with that first color we used, which was Alive. It's like a gold. And I just really want to focus right in there. tapping that on because it's a pretty color. There we go. And just kind of hit those corners right there, which will also pop that eye open. Okay, let's do our mascara. I hide my mascara down there to warm it up because I feel like it releases the product from the walls of my tubes. This conditions your lashes and prepares them for your mascara. Gives your mascara something more to adhere to. I always twist and turn it towards me as I put it back into the tube instead of pumping it. You do not want to pump your tubes, ladies. It will create air in your tubes and it will dry your products out and they will not last as long. A little bit down below. We got that going on. Oh yes, this is nice. Nice, nice, nice. And, oh, I did not put my, hold on just a second. I like to set my under eye with our setting powder called Behold. So let me do that quickly. I can pounce that up. And let me just kind of set that lightness that I had added earlier. This will allow this to last all day long, and it also like blurs that skin a bit and illuminates it. It's just a wonderful product that we have. You all need it, ladies. Go check out all my products on QnDebraofMakeup.com and try their quiz there for your skincare. Try their beauty guide to try any of our products out. It's a fun place to go and check things out. Okay, mascara now. Back in here it goes. Oh yes, see, nice and warm. And I wiggle it in. Just like that. Then after I wiggle it, I have to twist and pull it up. Just like that. Twirling towards me. Do the next eye. Do your mascara face if you so desire. You know how that goes, huh? Now, if you're interested in this business, you can message me or you can check that out online. Right now, the kit that we have to offer is $99 with a value of $457 of free products. No obligation to sell. That is your choice. So it's like a win-win. Do the math and figure it out. Come join my team. We're called the Queen's Court. And I'd love to have ya. So that's it for today, ladies. I thank you so much for stopping in. I'll catch you on the flip-flop. Bye-bye now.